If you're battling with bleached skin, damaged skin, today is a lucky day because I will be showing you the best product to use for your skin. Bleaching products are products that contain harmful chemicals such as hydroquinone, steroid, mercury, AHA, tretinoin or retinol. I want you to have it in mind. For you to repair a bleached, damaged skin, it's going to take a while. It won't be an overnight matter. You need to be patient for like 30 days so that your skin will get repaired. Hello, it's your girl Naya Cynthia once again. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. If you're having a damaged skin, this lotion is the best lotion for you to have. Vaseline Intensive Care. This is advanced repair that helps to repair damaged skin. It contains Vaseline jelly that helps to moisturize your skin, create a barrier that seals in moisture. It protects the skin from harsh weather conditions like wind or cold. It helps a lot. It helps to rejuvenate your skin. If you're having dry skin, it helps for healing. It heals those damaged skin. It is a nice lotion that helps to heal your skin and make it to renew. Okay, this lotion helps to repair. It helps to hydrate your skin. It helps to aid in healing of wounds and scars. This is Cosmo Renewing Collagen Body Lotion. This lotion is the best lotion to use. Another lotion to get if you're having a damaged or bleached skin. This lotion helps to renew your skin. It helps to repair your skin. This lotion helps to nourish, moisturize your skin. It hydrates your skin. It improves skin elasticity because it contains collagen, which helps to reduce wrinkles. It tones the skin. It aids in wound healing and scars. It helps to give your skin a healthy, glowing skin. It improves the skin smoothness. It heals stretch marks. If you're having stretch marks, get this lotion. This lotion also heals stretch marks. If you have bleached your skin and it results to stretch marks, get this lotion. It helps to heal stretch marks. It fixes sagged skin. If your skin has sagged, get this lotion. It contains UV protection, that's sun protection, that will help to protect your skin from further sun damage. Another nice product to use is Dove body lotion, the restoring care body lotion, which will help to restore your skin, which will help to rejuvenate your skin, which will help to moisturize your skin. It also helps for sunburn. If you have bleached your skin, this product is the best. With the soap, the Dove body lotion and the soap is the best. You can also get Vaseline body soap. Vaseline body soap is another soap to use if you have bleached your skin. With Johnson baby soap, you can get baby soap to use as a moisturizing soap. If you have bleached your skin or you have a sunburn, you get this Johnson baby soap. It will help to renew your face. It will help to heal your face, your body. It's a nice soap for you to try with Vaseline body soap. Okay, so you need a moisturizing soap to get together with this body lotion that I've mentioned. So that's all for today's video. Do well to get these lotions that I've mentioned. See you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.